Hello, good morning students. Today I will revise your topic of your previous class, that is reproduction by different parts of the plant. Actually, if somebody says about reproduction, then first thing comes in our mind is seed. Seed we use for reproduction. We sow the seed of any plant and that convert into a plant. Seed germinate and give rise to the plant. That reproduction is actually the result of sexual reproduction. But the other vegetative parts are also involved in reproduction. If vegetative parts of the plants are involved in reproduction, then it is known as vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. Because plant have two types of parts. One is reproductive parts, and flower is the reproductive part of the plant, and all other parts like root, stem, leaves, these are the vegetative parts of the plant. Now when these vegetative parts are used for reproduction, then this is vegetative reproduction. So let us discuss different parts of plant which is actually used for reproduction. First example is reproduction through underground stem. Now you all know that actually stem is the part present above the ground. But when it modified to any purpose and it remain inside the ground, then it becomes underground stem. And most appropriate example of this is our potato and ginger. You all know about potato and ginger. Potato and ginger you get underground. You get it from inside of the soil. Underground. You get it from underground. But these are underground doesn't mean that they are roots. They are stem. They are modified stem. Because actually general feature of the stem is to be above the ground. But these stems are present underground. So these are underground stem. When you put these stems inside the soil, they give rise to the plant. Ginger give rise to ginger plant and potato give rise to potato plant. So reproduction is occurring, because what is reproduction? When any organism, any creature creates its own copy. So here ginger forming the ginger plant, potato forming the potato plant. So this is reproduction with underground stem. Then reproduction by stem cutting. Now this stem is normal, it is present above the ground. So many plants are there in which we cut their stem and place them in some other location, and when we provide all appropriate conditions to this cutting of stem, it get proliferate and give rise to a new plant. So here reproduction is occurring with the help of stem cutting. Then reproduction through root. Reproduction through root. Roots we all know are present below the ground. So in some plants like dahlia, asparagus, sweet potato, we take its root and put inside the soil. They will give rise to the plant. Dahlia root give rise to dahlia plant. Sweet potato give rise to sweet potato plant. Then reproduction through leaves. Very rare plants are there which reproduce through leaves, but one such very famous example is the plant of bryophyllum. Actually, on the plants of bryophyllum, on the leaves, small little structures arise. These you can see in the diagram. These are actually known as bulbils. When they become mature, they get detached from these leaves and they go to the ground. Wherever they fall, there they form the plant of bryophyllum. So here the reproduction is taking place with the help of leaf. So all these are the methods by which plants reproduce. So thanks and revise it.